Have you ever picked up your phone for just 1 minute and suddenly 30 minutes were gone? Or maybe you planned to study but ended up scrolling social media instead. Why does this happen? The answer is dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical in your brain that makes you want rewards. Every notification, like, message, and video gives your brain a tiny dopamine hit, and your brain starts wanting more. Stickman action. Sitting at a desk with a phone, continuously checking notifications. Expression: curious, distracted, excited. Many people think dopamine creates happiness, but that's not completely true. Dopamine creates desire. It makes you want something. That's why you keep refreshing your phone. You don't know what you'll find, but your brain hopes for something exciting, and that hope keeps you coming back. Stickman action. Refreshing his phone repeatedly while looking excited. Expression: anticipation and curiosity. Social media companies understand dopamine very well. Every notification is designed to grab your attention. Every short video gives your brain a quick reward. The more rewards you get, the more your brain starts craving them. Soon, boring tasks feel difficult. Studying becomes harder. Reading feels slow. And focusing becomes a challenge. Stickman action. Switching between studying and checking his phone. Expression: frustrated and distracted. But dopamine isn't bad. In fact, dopamine can help you succeed. Athletes use it. Successful people use it. The secret is controlling where your dopamine comes from. Instead of getting rewards from scrolling, get rewards from progress. Complete a task. Finish a workout. Learn a new skill. Train your brain to enjoy growth. Stickman action. Completing small tasks and checking them off a list. Expression: focused and motivated. Here's a simple trick. Before starting important work, put your phone away. Remove distractions. Focus on one task for just 10 minutes. When you finish, reward yourself. Your brain will slowly connect dopamine with productivity, and working will become easier. Stickman action. Placing phone in a drawer and working on a notebook. Expression: calm and determined. Remember, dopamine controls what you pay attention to. If you let distractions control your dopamine, they will control your life. But if you train your brain to enjoy progress, you can achieve almost anything. Control your dopamine. Control your future. Stickman action. Standing confidently beside a large upward arrow and trophy. Expression: confident, happy, successful.